Hello, my name is Alex Milbank and my project aims to save the lives of people swept away by riptides on the coast. From an interview with a lifeguard, I found that one of the most dangerous events to occur are people swept away by riptides. Riptides are common on beaches, and if an inexperienced swimmer is sucked into one, it could prove fatal. Lifeguards coming to assist may also be caught as well. For example, in 2014, 7 surfers were caught in a riptide at Morgan Porth near Newquay. Out of the 7, 4 were severely injured and 3 died. This is a serious problem. The solution is a quick response unit which can overcome a riptide to provide aid before the person is sucked under. The solution I would use is a drone which can drop an inflatable device to the person accurately. These pictures show rescue drones from other countries who already implement them on their coasts, so it's a concept which works in the real world. I first experimented with PLA. However, I discovered that it was too flexible to act as the drone base after testing. Next, I used aluminium for the base of another prototype. I used a laser cutter and jig to create it, so its manufacturability is still good. Although it was good in impact testing, I found it was still too heavy for a drone. I then experimented with epoxy resin. I added red pigment to make it easy to identify and make it aesthetically pleasing. However, it was still too brittle. Blending fiberglass with epoxy resin was the best combination, as it was light, impact resistant and durable. I tested each material with a different prototype. I modelled it around an FPV drone's electronics. The one I used is for beginners to intermediate, and as most lifeguards aren't skilled in flying drones, this is ideal. An FPV camera will make it easier to pinpoint where the victim is. This table shows the cost to create the drone, and I will talk further about commercial viability in my 400 words. Thank you for watching.